we come. So I am going to use condensed glue gels, and do not hesitate to blend them out really nicely. You want to use a good amount of it. You don't want to do too much because it's going to flood your crystal, but also you don't want to do too little, then which is not going to be enough for your crystal. So I am going to using a no wipe top coat here for your information. If you like to doing it with the matte top coat, you're gonna apply the matte top coat first instead of shiny top coat. But if I want to finish shiny top coat to matching with whole entire the collection, I'm gonna do a shiny top coat. But you can more than welcome to do a matte top coat if your clients like to do a matte, you know. It's really interesting. Let me pick this one, because this one is so stunning. Look. Ah. I got it. Can't run away from me. And put my and if you don't have the frames, like you can put your beads on it, but I love the frame. The frames will be available comings on the website soon, so please stay tuned. I'm so excited because if you get this one, you're gonna love it. Yeah, and my arrowhead right there. I'm going to add some beads on it. This gold will stand out so much and make the design looks even like a more dimension. I know you can see the beads I'm pick up right now, but I have it on my side right now. Oh my goodness, so stunning. So as you see, so many different videos I got to share with you. You can add more than one beads. You don't have to settle for one. If you want more than one, like a prong, I will call it the prong, jewelry prong, you can do more than one. And like sometimes I did 3 of them on. So when you do this designs, if oh, this one it looks so stunning by itself. Oh, this one looks good. But I wonder, do you want to see the gain? Oh, I should drop all of my beads in here, or maybe a gold. Yesterday I did a gold. Oh, yeah. Let me get this. Look at that, what I got. I put the gold. You want me to put the leaf in there? Like a heart in there? Oh, I don't like that. Go. I'm going to put the gold in here. I'm planning to put my crystal, and now I don't get a crystal. I'm going to put the gold in it. I'll change my mind. This is so stunning. It make it looks like a 3-dimensional after I'm done, everyone. You gotta try it out. I'll make it like have a wrinkle here. Let me see. Can you seeing it? That's good. I'll put it more. Put more. Okay. It looks good. I don't care. It looks good. I am going to keep it for 60 seconds. It's gonna be so stunning. This is so stunning. This is a really cute nails though. I'm planning to put this one. Sorry everyone to be excited to want to see this centerpiece, but this emerald, I don't know what you call this. Have to wait for next time. Because we have the frame already. So something different, because everybody will see me doing a frame with stuff. So then let's see. Hi, Brooke. Hi, pretty Nuna. Thanks so much, Nail Salon Junkie. So when I cap that with condensed glue gel again and no white top coat, you will see how shiny it is. I have that nails will last couple videos I did, and everybody turning out good. So if you want to do like if you can do silver in there, you can do gold foil, silver foil. You can do a rusty gold, or you can do copper, whatever works for you. Or I can put any piece of this one I did is really cool though. I don't know what it's that it looks like. Can you seeing it closer? Like a rusty gold. I have my can you wipe it off with that, because it's my fingerprints on that. So now how to cap this to make it like a piece of jewelry. You put it in like crooked right here, that's why it go. Condensed glue gel, and I am going to cap this. Oh, it's stunning, everyone. You cap it fit enough in that frame only. Okay, great. Top coat on that. I love it because you know why? Because it's this one so condensed, so it stays nicely on it. Okay, good. Let's move this one out there. Before that, I am gonna using my precision glue to seal in on the edges first before I coat the top coat, because then I cure at the same time. Just check any edges and the crevices and the gap. If you're seeing that, just seal it in. Hold on, can I get a tinted brush? And we're gonna blend this on now. If you feel a little bit that's kind of extra condensed, glue, precision glue. So you are going to blend it really nicely. Great. So when after you're done, it looks really nice and flawless. So no wipe top coat. I am going to floating one coat on the top of that frame. I was thinking if you can print your picture of your frame that tiny, you should put in here, or whatever it is. Looks so stunning. Great. So I am here for 60 seconds, everyone. Looks good. I'm just gonna show you on the side. Great. In under the lamp for about 60 seconds. It's really fun design today, right, everyone? Hope you learned something today, or hope I bring some fun design for you today. Oh, we did good today. We did like 5 nails. Great. Let me close this. Do not lose this red caps. Make sure you close this and close your condensed glue gel so you won't clear that actually. Cap on my brush. Let's move this guy to the sides. And I have one more nail to show off with everyone. Above that one. One more, the nude one. Let's go this one in the middle. This all the green one. Green, but one is gold. Oh, Nelly, absolutely. You're very welcome, darling. I'm so glad you can tuning in. Any requests for the nails? Besides that, we're learning a lot. It's gonna be coming into class. In a couple weeks also, we will learn so much hands-on, and we're gonna still continue to support our master brand ambassadors team. So thank you so much, lady. Oh, anyway, I have one nails. I did this video before. If you haven't get watching it, this is one of the fusioning here, just for your information. Oh, this nail is nice. This nail is nice. Feels so smooth. See, glossy. Oh, my hands. I think my hands and right there. Looks so stunning. Look at that. And then I'm gonna top coat this one. So many cute greens. And then you wanna see one of my clover right here. Super easy, the techniques. Encapsulate blast of glitter. This is a blast of glitter. Oh, blast of colors, glitter collection. Let me top coat this one. And then you're being, thank you, Sunflower. And this one, if you want to put top coat and crystal on, you can. Looks stunning. Either one. Okay. Okay, it's good. 60 seconds.